Today, we'll find why is SWITEK regarded as the top IML solution provider in China. We're now here at the workshop of SWITEK, and you can see this one is an IML bucket with the handle assembly unit with it's an IML bucket production system with a handle auto assembly system. And this one would be a 4-cavity lid IML solutions. And you can see more here. This one is a semi-finished one to be equipped with a magazine and a stacking unit. This one is a large size IML system for bucket up to 20 liters. Our workers are assembling the IML systems, semi-finished and finished, ready for testing. How can SWITEK be the top manufacturer? Now, we try to find the secret. This one is 8 cavities IML system for lead. Also here this one, a 4 cavities IML system for square box. I think this one would be a 1 liter box, 4 cavities. Also this one, 4 cavities IML lid system for the box we just see. It's a lid solution, 4 cavities. Here you can see it's the base of SWITEK productivity. We have now large size CNC machine like a horse, also from Taiwanese CNC machine to produce the IML magazines and tools to ensure a faster delivery. With all this CNC machinery, we can make a magazine in about 1 week. That's why China can go up to be the top IML system provider in China, because we have our own production facilities and our own R&D department with a team of about 10 engineers to make sure that we can design a system and produce the custom-made parts for the most efficient IML system with faster delivery and competitive price. That's the secret for Chinese for SWITEK IML system and the competitiveness of the SWITEK IML system. Work with SWITEK to provide you with a 20 IML solution.